Mix icing. You can use any icing recipe you prefer. Freddie will measure and recommend a specific viscosity of the icing. There are settings that can be adjusted later on, so that Freddie works with your frosting viscosity. One recipe for the perfect icing viscosity, that meets the default settings of Freddie, is 1 kg powdered sugar, 53 g meringue powder, make sure there are no lumps in the powder mixture. (193 g) water. Slowly add water to the middle and stir up from the center to the outside. A cut test can help to detect the viscosity. Slice through the frosting with a spatula and time how long it takes to cover over itself. It should be in the 25 to 35 second range. If it's too runny or too thick, it will let you know during calibration. Remove the cap and then remove the plunger from the tube. Close the cap and place the tubes in the fill stand and begin filling. Make sure the tubes are completely dry before filling. Do not fill higher than the line. Insert the plunger partially into the tube. Do not force the plunger. Doing so will pop the cap. Flip the tube over to allow the icing to run down. Now remove the cap and push down to let out the air. It is normal for a small amount of icing to come out. Recap the tip. Wash and dry the cap area. Excess water will affect calibration later.